Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options on Interactive Brokers. First, ensure your Interactive Brokers account is fully set up and funded. You will need to have options trading permissions enabled, which usually involves a quick application process within the client portal. Once approved, you can access the trading platform, whether it's the robust trader workstation or the more streamlined client portal, to begin exploring the options market. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Understanding the basics of options is key. A call option provides the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy 100 shares of an underlying stock at a specific price, called the strike price, before a certain expiration date. Conversely, a put option gives the right to sell 100 shares at its strike price. These contracts are time-sensitive, meaning they expire, so managing your positions before expiration is vital for successful trading. To place a trade, first locate the underlying asset, like a stock or ETF, using the search bar. Then, navigate to the options chain, which displays various strike prices and expiration dates. Select whether you want to trade a call or a put, and choose your specific strike price and expiration. Finally, input your order details, such as the number of contracts, your desired price, and the order type, like a limit order, before submitting it for execution. Effective risk management is paramount in options trading. Before initiating any trade, clearly define your maximum acceptable loss. It is crucial to employ proper position sizing, ensuring you do not commit more than a small percentage, perhaps 1 to 2%, of your total trading capital to a single trade. Continuously monitor your open positions and be prepared to adjust or close them as market conditions evolve. Implementing stop-loss orders can also help protect your capital from significant adverse movements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.